Welcome to Storytime Spanish 101. I'm Miss Gladys. Bienvenidos. This quick video is aimed at introducing you to some basic Spanish words and phrases that will help you host a bilingual story time. I feel that it is a myth that you need to be fluent in Spanish in order to host a bilingual story time. To me, as long as you know some words and are confident in the words you know, you can hold a successful bilingual story time. In the next few slides, I will introduce and pronounce some very basic words and phrases that will help you interact with your Storytime patrons. Greetings o saludos. What to say when you first encounter a patron. Hola, which means hello. Buenos días, which means hello and good morning. Buenas tardes, which means good afternoon. Buenas noches, which means good evening. Now to introduce yourself to a patron, which is the introduction or la introducción. When you're introducing yourself, you can say me llamo, which means my name is, or you can also say mi nombre es, which is another way to say my name is. Soy, which means I am. So for library purposes, I would say me llamo Miss Gladys y soy la bibliotecaria, which means my name is Miss Gladys and I'm the librarian. When you're meeting other people, you can ask them their name and you can either do it formally or informally. ¿Cómo se llama is what is your name formally, y ¿cómo te llamas is what is your name informally. Mucho gusto means it's nice to meet you. Now we're going to say goodbye to our patrons, so saying goodbye or despidiéndose. Saying goodbye is adiós, that just means goodbye. Chao, which just means bye. Que tengas un buen día, have a good day. Me voy, I'm leaving. I hope that these short lessons help empower you to host your own bilingual story time. I just want you to remember that you don't need to know a lot of Spanish to make patrons feel welcome. Any effort is greatly appreciated and will go a long way to make them feel included. Gracias for your time. Hasta la próxima.